Guys, rigging it up Hicks. We're here today with Josh, and Nerdy's also here. We're doing some wheel bearings, calipers, and brakes on the front end of a 2004 Grand Cherokee with a 4.0 liter four-wheel drive automatic. So far we got the tire off, and right now we're trying to get the 1 7/16 nut off so that we can take the brake caliper off and then take everything off. We're having a little issues right now. It's not coming off, so we heated it up, put some blaster on there, some PB blaster, to try to loosen it up a little bit. We got the torch on it. Then we got some breaker bars and stuff. The big one's up here, and then we kind of broke that one already. Then we got a little breaker bar. So this is what we're gonna be putting on. Here's the brand new calipers, here's the brand new wheel bearings, and then the brand new brake pads. So we're gonna take a break real quick while we let this PB blaster set in. And then once we start getting that off, we'll start recording again for the next piece of the video. All right, so we had to get the air tools out to get this nut off, but now we got it off. So the next thing now is the brake caliper. So you need an 11/16 socket. There's gonna be one here, and then the one back here. We'll get those off, and then we'll go to the next part. So the next part is gonna be an 18 millimeter, and it's gonna be right here and right here. And no, that's it. Yep. All right, so we'll be back after we take those off. All right, so the next part, you need a 13 millimeter 12-point socket, and there's gonna be 1, 2, and then another one right here, 3. So we're gonna get those off, and then we'll be back to the next part. All right, so how we got this with the air wrench is gotta crank the wheel all the way to the left for these two, so the one right here and the one right here. And then we're gonna have our buddy crank the wheel all the way to the right and get this one way back here. That's just the easiest way to do it. And then we'll have these off, and then we'll take this off next, and then put it all back together. Oh, here it goes. So we're probably gonna have to use an extension, but we'll get to it right there. All right. We got this part done now. Now to put it back together. Woo! Alright, so we just got this put back on, the new wheel bearing. Now we're gonna do the rotor. Here you go, Josh.
Did you guys get that top one in?
Yep. Alright, boom. Oh, that's all there is to it. Alright guys, we just got the new brake pads in. Now we're gonna take this C-clamp and we're gonna press these in so that we can get them back over the brake pads. And then the only thing we have to do now is open up the brake. It's got the new brake pads, the new rotor in, wheel bearings in.
We gotta go take this thing on the interstate.
So, yeah, we're gonna do the other side, but we're not gonna record that because obviously it's just the same thing over again. So this is Josh's Jeep. Got help from Nerdy, and then me myself. So, see you guys in the next video. We're gonna go fishing tomorrow, so hopefully there'll be a video on that. And then I got the Northern Pike video, and then we got another video coming after that. So see you guys in the next one.